Hi students, it's Ms. Vernon, and I wanted to pop on and just do a quick video of how to take a quiz on MathXL. As we've transitioned into distance learning, paper tests are no longer going to be accessible to us as not all of us have printers at home. So in order to make it more accessible, we'll be using MathXL, which is also the site you do your practice work on. So doing that practice work is even more important than ever now. When taking a test in MathXL, there's a couple of things I want to make you aware of. The first is that each question will have its point value listed in the top banner, and the total for the entire quiz will be listed on the right side of that banner. You'll also see that there is a timer running. Now, on your typical tests, you will have varying amounts of time, but the first test, we are going to give you 75 minutes to take it as you're getting used to taking a test in a different format. Some questions on your test will be requiring you just to answer the question, while others are going to require you to show work. If you would like to see an overview of what the test is, you can click on the overview or drop-down menu and it will show you the questions that require you to show work. As you go through and take the test, I'm going to select answers and then I'm going to advance to the next question. Notice that on this question, it says to solve, and it gives me a very specific format to write my answer in. If you do not write your answer in the format given, it's going to mark it wrong, just like it would when you're doing your homework practice. You'll also notice that there's this new box that says show work required. When I click on that box, it's going to open up a window that will allow me to write right on my Chromebook screen. If you're a person who's like, I need more work to show or more space to show my work, you can zoom in by using 2 fingers on your Chromebook screen. I'm going to go ahead and write my problem and then solve it. When I go through to solve this problem, I find that, hey, I need a little bit more space. So I'm going to zoom in so that I can write a little bit smaller and make it easier for me to show my work. We do know that this is going to be hard for some of you, but we are asking that you do it this way to ease in our ability to grade your tests quickly and provide good quality feedback. So as you go through, you're solving the problem. Okay? Once you have completed the problem, I'm going to zoom back out and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. When I save that problem, oops, there we go. It turns the box green up here, and then I would want to type that answer in this box as well. And so that answer, it does say that I want to type it in with a comma between it. And so then I have my square root of 8 divided by 3. And then I just go ahead and put my comma and enter the same answer, except for that other answer is going to have the minus sign. So I'd have my -5 minus the square root. Again, you're used to using these buttons because they're the same buttons you've used for other problems. You're going to go ahead and hit advance and then answering the final question. So just picking an answer. Again, I'm just trying to pick an answer based on quick grab and go. And then as I use that drop-down menu, again, just to check, it does say, hey, I've answered all my questions, I've shown my work, and I can hit submit test or quiz. Once I hit submit that quiz, it's going to give me a score based on what I have entered. And then you just want to know that we're going to go back and review those scores. So this is not your final score. Once we go back in, we can check to see if you entered your answer just a little bit different and give you back points. This will not happen automatically. Now, after you've taken the test, you'll be able to review that after the due date. We'll let you know when that's available. But just know that you will be able to go back in after everybody is tested and be able to review that test. All right. If you have any questions, please reach out and let us know. And good luck on your first test that you take on MathXL. Bye now.